Rectangular and circular patterns is another very handy feature to have and to know how to use. Here I've got a set of cylinders around a circle. There's 12 of them and they're equally spaced. If I go to front view, you can see that if you're doing a clock or something like that and you wanted the 12 parts of the clock, it's very easy to do. Okay, so let's have a go at doing one. First thing you do is you put in your axis, and so I want a circle on here. Now I can use this one here too. This is a really handy little feature too, construction lines. If I select that circle and click that one there, it goes to a little dashed line, and that's handy because I don't want to see that. I just want that there to help me do some work, so they can toggle that on and off quite easily. Okay, so I'm going to now draw a circle on that there, and I could size that circle to whatever I wanted to, but I'm not going to bother this time. I go to return. Whoops, forgot to do my pattern. Come down here to circular pattern. The geometry is the circle, the axis is that dotted line. I can change this to, so we wanted 20, and I could say, okay, well, if I only wanted 20 within a 180 degree circle, I could do it. I wanted amongst 360 degrees, so there we go. Once again, I can change the diameter of this construction circle, the center line, and I can change the diameter of these circles here. If I go to extrude, then all I've got to do then is just keep picking whatever I want. If I wanted to, I could go back and say, well, I only wanted every second one, but I'll say every one. So there we go. Okay, and I've got a set of cylinders. If I go to the rectangular pattern, what I need to do here is I need to put on, and I'll put it on construction, just a dotted line for a start. Now I'm going to go to rectangle, and I want to put, say, that kind of a rectangle there. Okay, rectangular pattern geometry is this, and I can put a window around the whole thing to select the whole lot. Direction 1 is this one. Oops. And I'm going to say I want to have 10 millimeters apart, spacings of 10. Direction 2 is this one, and I can go other way. I want to have 5 of those. So you can see that this dotted line is construction line. It's only there just to give those directions of what you're doing. You could get away with just 2 lines. I just put a rectangle. It's just as easy, and I can change those sizes to whatever I want. Okay, so we can OK that. If I go to 3D and return, I can then once again extrude every second one if I wanted to, and do whatever you want to with it. And there you go, you've got a pattern that is equally spaced and changeable at any time. Right mouse click and go back to edit sketch, and in here you can see where the measurements are. So if I want to change that 10, okay, to say 20, they all change to now 20 spaces away. So you might just have to muck around a little bit to work out your spacings, but that's how you can get a pattern, a recurring pattern. And if you want to, then you can make this one whole thing that then revolves around into a circular pattern. So it's a handy thing to do. Have a go at it.